Thursday and we're going shopping.
Look at the skies.
It's clear blue.
Little cloud over there.
Hello, camera bitch. That's not Julie, that's the camera being a bitch.
You have the curtain bangs.
There we go.
That's better.
Fixed. Anyway, we just went shopping. We got a lot of stuff. Got bags.
Are you the nerd?
What the fuck? Am I supposed to just go and take it?
Almonds. Almonds are so expensive in Denmark. It's insane. Then we have some eggs. Oh, that's my 40. Then we have some mushrooms.
Also for our dinner. Maybe.
If we can be bothered, because it's so damn warm still.
Too damn warm.
Then we have some cream for the dinner as well. 2 of those. And we have some
cream.
This is double cream, honey. Double cream means that it can be whipped.
Yeah, but
yeah, it'll still. And we have more of the Skims peanuts. Yeah, actually been naughty and bought 2 of those.
And then some of this.
Silver paper, tinfoil, whatever. Some milk. Loads of sodas. Some butter. And some washing thingies for our dishwasher. And I think that was it. Then we also bought some potatoes. And these tissues. With a lady who was blowing her nose. Which is kind of weird.
But ain't.
Oh, put one in the freezer so we can get one. So. Well, we'll report back to you when these are gone. No, just kidding.
When these are gone. Hopefully we're not eating both today.
Okay then. If you don't want any, you don't have to.
Look at me. We're not eating both of them today. Sorry. Don't look at me.
Ah! I'm being attacked by a freezer door. And I can see all of our mess again.
Yep.
I'm gonna close. See how all nice and tidy we have it now. Cheats. Flattering angle.
I only have flattering angles.
If you say so. Oh. It just heard some exciting news. In 2 weeks, the stores will have Christmas stuff. The Grinch.
The Grinch is on fire.
Can you help me out?
No, you are stuck. Excuse me. There's not much happening with those legs. You climbed all the way up to the top. Let's get something.
To go lay down.
What the hell? What the hell?
No.
What the hell, hon? Julie's gonna play some cookie game, and then we're gonna watch Blind Spot, right?
And then we're gonna have soda and sticks.
Yes. Hello everybody! It's Thursday and it's kind of a day because it's raining outside and I'm home alone right now. I just finished vacuum cleaning and doing laundry and stuff, and well, basically I'm just waiting for Julie to come home, so hopefully she does soon. But yeah, as you can see here, this is some shitty weather. It's all gray and shit and very rainy, so that kind of sucks.
Well, you're gonna edit this vlog then.
Okay.
I don't know the vlog. I have to edit that.
Anyway, I'm going to the university soon.
We're separating ways, and then we both flip the camera. I'm gonna flip it to cake.
I'm gonna flip it to myself for some reason.
I'm gonna bake a brownie.
I'm gonna go study at the university. It's not. Anyway.
We seem like those couples that had each a vlog channel. We don't.
We released 2 versions of this vlog.
Julie's perspective.
Yep.
I don't think you're gonna vlog school.
I don't think so either.
I think I'll just vlog making this cake. How damn awful it is to focus. There we go. There's one of the phone.
I don't know, do you want to borrow mine instead? Right.
I'm making brownies a la Nigella.
A la Nigella? What the hell?
Isn't she that British one?
British one? I don't know. How would I know?
That, like she does some Christmas programs I've seen. That's what I know.
Okay.
But it's actually Danish recipe. I guess you can just Google Nigella brownies to find the recipe. This is a Danish recipe if you want it. But it's from Emily Salmon. See, that's an
Emily Salmon.
Salmon. See, it won't focus. There we go. So I'll get cracking some eggs for the brownie. Seriously.
And I'll be heading to university.
Can we, like, oh, maybe.
Is it working?
Now I can turn up the brightness.
Oh.
Oh my.
The fuck, honey?
Oh, now it's very dark. No.
Stop fucking up the clip.
There. Okay.
This is how it looks when you're vlogging.
Oh, I forget the pink.
Pinky antennas.
But, like, have a look at my screen. There's this yellow thing.
What yellow thing? I don't see any yellow thing.
Yes. What does that do?
I think it's the focus area.
No, because I could like turn it up and down and then it changed the light. Look. Oh, bright.
Well, then it obviously changes the brightness.
No, but like it also seems to do something weird with the focus, but I don't know what.
I don't know either.
Oh, I can take pictures while I'm. Oh, okay, that completely killed my battery. But I could take pictures while I was walking.
Okay.
Cool, that's so cool.
Yeah.
We are ready to bake. Maybe a little light. Okay, so I've laid out all the things we need, and it doesn't look so neat though, because I'm not going to be bothered washing up all sorts of little bowls and plates and stuff with all the things. So this is what you need. You need chocolate. You need 180 grams of dark chocolate, but this is all the dark chocolate I have, so I don't know if I'll need to add a little bit of milk chocolate. That's just gonna have to do. Then you need the same amount of butter, 180 grams of butter. I just use salted because I really like that my sweet things are also a bit salty. Then you need 250 grams of sugar. You need even more salt, and you need vanilla. The recipe calls for vanilla bean, but let's just say it's gonna be vanilla sugar today. Then you need 110 grams of flour, and you need 3 eggs. And I just need to check. Yeah, okay, if you want to, you can also add 150 grams of some sort of nut, almond, hazelnut, walnuts, whatever. But I'm not going to do that today. On the other hand, I am going to start out by measuring my chocolate and butter into this, I don't know what you would call this, casserole, saucepan, whatever. 180 grams of chocolate and 180 grams of butter. Let's see if I can lay this one. Oh, that light is so annoying. Shit. Oh. Okay, well, right. Holy smokes. The wire is like it was plugged in, and yeah, it is pretty long, but that apparently was not enough. Okay, I'm just gonna measure this off. You know how to measure. Okay, so measured. Okay, thank you. It was at 184. There we go. I have 50 grams of this just boiling chocolate. Then I have 90 grams of these. These are focus. Okay, they're called Calatsapita, and they're 60% cocoa. And then I've used just a little bit. The last 40 grams. I've used their milk chocolate, which is 31%. Not super good, but these are actually really good for this chocolate bar. I've did it several times before, and I prefer it with these. I just had a little leftover of these that I couldn't really use, so they went in there as well. Then I'm gonna add 180 grams of butter as well. There we go. 180 grams of butter. I'm gonna let this melt at the stove. Get some light. And put it somewhere around medium. Because we don't want the chocolate to burn. We have to stir in it quite a bit. But this will be such a heavenly mixture. And just stick with me. I know it's a really just put chocolate and butter and sugar and flour and egg, like, yeah, but it's so good. You just have to stir a few times in this one, but while it's also melting a bit, we can whip up the eggs and the sugar all together. So we'll do that now. I just screwed up. I was making these potato thingies you saw the other day. I mean, this won't focus. Just there we go. I'm making these potato things you saw in a previous vlog, and forgot to turn on the oven, so that's not going to heat up very well. We have the chocolate here, chocolate butter mix. It's just melting up. And I've added the eggs, the vanilla sugar and the sugar into this mixer, because I'm going to use this fella, and will basically spray this everywhere if I don't use a jug. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then remember to stir in this one. Okay, apparently we have light on now. I don't know what this is. Why did it put light on? Okay. This butter and chocolate mixture is almost fully melted and mixed together, so it needs to cool a little bit down before we're adding it into this egg and sugar mixture that I just mixed up here. It's really weird with this light. And then afterwards we have to mix, like turn the flour, basically. So I'm just waiting for this to cool down a bit. Okay, so I have mixed together the chocolate and the butter and the egg and the sugar, and now we're gonna have to fold like this, the flour and the salt, which is in this one. So I'm gonna do that. That was it. You can't really see any difference, but the flour is gone now. So I'm gonna pour this over to my, you can't really see what this is. This is my, and I just put some baking paper, parchment paper in, and I'm gonna pour the dough over there now. And here we have it. Just needs to go into the oven for 25 minutes, and then it will be done. The cake is out of the oven, and it looks really weird, but it's just the air bubbles. So because we whipped up the egg, then that's why it has this weird surface. But it tastes so good, so please go ahead and make it, and tell us if you do, and if you like it. Look who's home.
Hello. I don't even know how much you vlogged while I was gone. How much have you vlogged while I was gone?
That I made the cake.
Just that?
Basically.
Okay. Well, I've been gone for what, 5 hours-ish? And just got back. Got caught in the rain, which sucked. And then I brought home some Snickies. Yes.
But there was no fizzy pops.
No. They're getting worse and worse. Now they completely excluded the fizzy pops as well. Stupid.
As well as some...
Yeah, some banana.
There was some like... There was some marshmallow banana kind of thingies.
Yeah. So
So
kind of
sad.
yeah. Well, it's basically Friday evening soon. Which means we have to start the weekend vlog.